Let's now go to 5-element constitutional acupuncture. Let's discuss the use of tonification and sedation points. The use of tonification and sedation points. The tonification points are more frequently used than sedation points. This is because more emphasis is placed on tonifying underlying deficiencies than on sedating excess. Sometimes both points can be used together. If, for example, the liver pulse is full or in excess, and the pericardium pulse is deficient, then the sedation point of the liver channel, the liver 2, the fire point, can be sedated at the same time as reinforcing the tonification point on the pericardium channel, the PC9 or the wood point. This is most commonly carried out when an excess pulse is felt on the mother organ. And if the tonification point is used in preference to the sedation point when the mother organ is only relatively fuller than the child, but pulse diagnosis still shows it to be deficient overall. The use of these points is largely determined by which element the practitioner is focusing on in the treatment. If, for example, the practitioner is treating a water CF whose metal element is stronger than the water, it would be usual to use the tonification points of water, bladder 67 and kidney 7, several times during the course of the patient's treatment. It will be unusual to use the sedation points of metal large intestine 2 and lung 5 unless the organs of the metal element had an excess of qi, which is unlikely. As you can see in the figure, the use of tonification points. On the other hand, if a practitioner is treating a wood CF with a full liver, it will be usual to use the sedation points of this organ, liver 2, especially if the heart or pericardium is deficient. It should be noted, however, that if the heart or pericardium were deficient in absolute terms, then it will be quite common to stimulate the tonification points of the fire organs, heart 9 or pericardium 9, if the stomach organ is full and the lung is deficient. Then the sedation point of the stomach 45 might be used. Again, if the lungs were deficient in absolute terms, then it will be quite common to stimulate the tonification points of the lung 9. And as you can see in the figure, shows transfers of qi with emphasis on the sedation points, but tonification points can also be used. The principle is put succinctly in the ode to the streamer out of the dark. As to needling, the original channel, there is also the mother and child. Supposing the heart is weak, select little rushing in, heart 9, from the original channel and reinforce it. Little rushing in is the well wood point, and wood can produce fire. When it is strong, then select the spirit gate, heart 7, and drain it. Spirit gate is the shu earth point, and fire can produce earth. Thank you for your attention.